Are you worried about your high CPMs on your Facebook ad? So here's the solution for this. Sometimes higher CPM may not be the core problem in your business. Sometimes it's the conversion issue, sometimes higher cost per action or higher customer acquisition cost. I have generated over $120 million in sales with paid ads, and honestly sometimes I don't even have any idea about how much CPM I have. So this is not the core or a very important metrics, okay? Like the most important metrics is your cost per acquisition, your ROAS, your actual net profit. If the CPM is too high and you're still profitable, like it doesn't really matter in your business. Now I'm gonna share the screen and show you the real life example inside Meta Ads Manager. So I'm in the Ads Manager dashboard right now. So if you see this first campaign, we've got 14 sales with $26 cost per purchase and the CPM is $55. So if we compare, this third campaign is really expensive, okay? Like the cost per acquisition is around $179, but if you compare the CPM, it's lower than the first one, okay? So it has the CPM of $48, and if we compare this to the first one, like, you know, it's really cheaper, okay? It's like $55, but the main objective of running ads is to get profit, okay? Like we didn't even need to care about like other kind of metrics. So here, okay, this is not really profitable, okay? If I show you the ROAS, so here the first campaign has 5x ROAS and the third one has 0.71x ROAS, which is not profitable at all, okay? It was the complete loss, and we turned off this ad and we made a lot of profit from this one. Like we just spent $376 and generated like $2,000 in revenue, which is 5.53x ROAS, okay? But the CPM is relatively high as compared to like the third one, like this one. So while analyzing the results in your ads manager, you need to see the main metrics, okay, the primary metrics, that is ROAS, your cost per acquisition. And you can also take a close look into like cost per checkout, cost per ad checkout, cost per landing page views as well. But yeah, CPM is not really that primary metrics that you need to look up on, okay? But of course there are ways to lower your CPM on your Facebook ads and overall results as well. Let's talk about it. Make sure your ad creatives, for example your picture or videos or carousel, whatever format you're using, okay, they are not boring. They should be entertaining. They should be relatable to the targeting that you're doing. It should align with your messaging, with your offers, with your ad copies, with your landing page. If the destination link is broken or your website looks very unprofessional in such scenario, the CPM might get higher, okay? So like you need to make sure to optimize everything from targeting, you know, to like ad copies, offers, messaging, your destination URL, your landing page structure, like designs, and everything should be aligned. This way you can lower your Facebook ads CPM and improve your results. So if you're running e-commerce business doing over $50,000 per month in revenue and you're struggling to scale it profitably and sustainably, then you can book a call with our team from the first link in the description, and we will see if we can help you. And you can also claim a free audit of your whole full stack e-commerce marketing system, and we will help you achieve these kind of results for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're new here, and I will see you in the next one.